Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics which is from the topic functions. So before starting the discussion, I want to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link is also available in the description box of the video. So to get the problems, what you have to do, visit the website education-adda.com, then you have to go to menu option and then you have to click academics adda, and from there will get math important questions. Okay, so please visit the website to get important problems. Coming to the problem, what is given here, we have to solve two parts. So if you see the given figure, three lines are given passing through two points. Okay, and we have to solve the equations such that fx equal to gx. Okay, and part b, we have to solve the inequality such that gx is less than equal to fx and fx is less than hx. Okay, so you can either solve graphically or you can form the functions and then solve them. So we can find the functions using the graph. So first we will find the equation of fx. So if we see, this is our y equal to fx line. So this is a straight line passing through 2 points, and the points are, this is first point -10 -6, and second point is 6 and 14. Okay, so we will assume let x1 y1 equal to -10 comma -6, and x2 y2, that is second point, which is equivalent to 6 and 14. Okay, so we can calculate the slope of the line. So slope will be given by m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and substituting the values of x1 y1 x2 y2, we can calculate slope as m equal to 5 by 4. Now we can write the equation of the line, and if we know the slope and the line passing through x1 y1, then equation of the line can be written as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, and for us in this for fx, y1 equal to -6, m equal to 5 by 4, and x1 equal to -10. So substituting these values, we will get y equal to fx equal to 5 by 4 times x plus 13 by 2. So let this be our equation number 1. Then we will find second equation, that is y equal to gx. Okay, so if we see y equal to gx is a straight line passing through 2 points, that is -10 -6, and second point is 0 -6. So slope will be given by m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, where x1 y1 equal to -10 -6 and x2 y2 equal to 0 and -6. So substituting these values, we can calculate slope will be equal to 0. Okay, slope is equal to 0 means line will be horizontal and it will be parallel to x-axis. So equation of the line can be written as y minus y1 equal to slope into x minus x1, and we have y1 equal to -6, x1 equal to -10, and slope is equal to 0. So y plus 6 equal to 0, or we can write y equal to -6. Okay, so it is a line parallel to x-axis. So dx is equal to -6. Next, we will find the equation of hx. So from the given graph, we can see hx is this line, which is a straight line passing through 0 and 14, and second point is 6 and 14. So let x1 y1 equal to 0 14 and x2 y2 equal to 6 and 14. So slope can be calculated as m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and substituting the values of x1 y1 x2 y2, we can calculate slope as m equal to 14 minus 14 divided by 6 minus 0. So slope will be equal to 0, and from the figure also we can see hx is a line parallel to x-axis. So we can write the equation of line hx which is passing through x1 y1 and having slope m. So it will be equal to y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, and substituting the values of m, x1 and y1, we will get y equal to 14, hence y equal to hx equal to 14. Now we have obtained the equation of fx, gx and hx. So one by one what is asked, we will solve the equations. So in part A we have to solve the equation fx equal to gx. So as we have just found out fx equal to 5 by 4 times x plus 13 by 2, this we can see from equation 1, and from equation 2 gx equal to minus 6. So substituting these values we can solve for x, and we will get, after rearranging, x equal to minus 10. Okay, hence fx equal to gx, will these two functions will be equal for x equal to minus 10, and same can also be observed from the graph. This is your fx line and this is gx line. We can see that these two functions or these two lines are intersecting at point minus 10 minus 6. Hence we can say that when x equal to minus 10, fx will be equal to gx. Okay, now in the second part we have to solve for the inequality. So inequality is given at gx is less than equal to fx and fx is less than hx. So substituting the values from equation 1, 2 and 3, so equations of gx, fx and hx. So gx equal to minus 6, fx equal to 5 by 4x plus 13 by 2 and hx equal to 14. So considering the first inequality, that is this one only, okay, that is minus 6 is less than equal to 5 by 4 times x plus 13 by 2, and simplifying this and rearranging we can solve. See, minus 6 minus 13 by 2 equal to 5 by 4x. So we have brought constant on one side only. So this will be equal to minus 25 by 2 equal to 5 by 4x, or x will be equal to 25 by 2 into 4 by 5, that is x is greater than equal to minus 10. Okay, so here what is missed, it will be minus 6 minus 13 by 2, so it is less than equal to, okay, it will not be equality, so it will be less than equal to, okay. Now, so x is greater than equal to minus 10. Now considering the second inequality, that is this one. Okay, in the first one we have written this one. This is the second inequality. So 5 by 4 times x plus 13 by 2, and it is less than 14. So it can be written as 5 by 4x is less than 14, and from LHS we have brought 13 by 2 to RHS. So it will be 14 minus 13 by 2. So x will be less than equal to 15 by 2 times 4 by 5. That is x will be less than 6. So combining equations 4 and 5, we can write x is greater than equal to minus 10 and less than 6. Okay, that is x is an element of minus 10 where equality holds at minus 10, and x is less than equal to 6. So, okay, x is greater than minus 10, greater than or equal to minus 10 but less than 6. So the interval is minus 10 to 6 for the solution. Gx is less than equal to fx, which is less than hx. And from the graph also we can observe that, see, this is minus 10 6 and this is minus 10 and this is x equal to 6. So in this interval if we see fx is greater than, this is your fx, so fx, and this is gx, so fx will be greater than gx in this interval, and also fx is less than hx. Okay, fx will be less than hx. So this is our common portion and our solution will be minus 10 to 6. Okay friends, So in this lecture, we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. For more important problems, you can visit our playlist.